Last time, the egg was broke and the yolk flowed out, revealing the true nature of physics and astronomy. The nature? There being one and the same, the only difference being size. Furthermore, we closed out with a statement that instruments truly would be handy if and only if we could afford them. But really, we don't need them. That in truth, we only need our minds. Today, we further dive deeper into the rabbit hole, uncovering the fascinating nature of the science. We already saw how the solar system perfectly models the atom. The sun is a giant nucleus, and the Earth is a giant electron, as are the other planets. The solar system is measured to be 7,900 million miles across, as far as the orbit of the planet Pluto. Our Earth is measured at only 7,900 miles across. That makes the solar system 1,000,000 times bigger than the Earth. Let our minds make the obvious connection. If the Earth is the same as an electron and the solar system is the same as an atom, then we conclude that the proportions must be the same. In other words, the size of the atom compared to the electron must be the same as the size of the solar system compared to the Earth. Solar system is to the Earth what the atom is to the electron. Same proportions, same laws, different sizes. If the solar system is 1,000,000 times bigger than the Earth, then the atom is 1,000,000 times bigger than the electron. Now let's verify this. Is this true? According to modern measurements, the electron has been measured at about 1/4 trillionth of an inch, and the atom at about 1/4 millionth of an inch across. That gives a proportion of 1,000,000 times, just like it is between the Earth and the solar system. This confirms our intuition that the solar system is a giant atom and the Earth is a giant electron and the sun is the nucleus. The Earth or electron plus the sun or nucleus is equals to the solar system or the atom. The law of creation is, as above, so below. Now our mind has been freed and we can proceed to investigate atoms and electrons by studying our own solar system. We do not need expensive tools. We just need the knowledge that has been available since ancient times when our ancestors spent many nights studying the sky. They were looking at stars, but at the same time they were looking at the microscopic particles of matter. Modern astronomers and physicists separate themselves into two camps. In the ancient days, our ancestors, as they built great pyramids and other monuments to study and chronicle the movements of the stars, knew that there was no difference between astronomy and physics. By studying astronomy, they learned all about physics as well, because physics is a study of astronomy on a microscopic scale. As above, so it is below. That is the law of creation. Now, once we have a clear understanding of this law, we can use it to learn about the rest of the universe. How it was created, when it was created, what is its size and duration. All we'll need is our minds. Now let's get a bit familiar. If you have ever been far away from city lights, you'll know that when we look at the starry sky on a clear dark night, we see countless stars covering every inch of the sky. But when we look at the sky above the Earth, we see a vast emptiness between our Earth and the nearest neighboring star. If we let our minds think about this, we realize that even though the stars seem close to each other, far, far up in the sky, they cannot really be that close together. If they were, we would see stars in our own sky above the Earth, as close as the moon. The truth is, the nearest star to our Sun is about 32 trillion miles away. This tells us all the stars above, even though they seem close to each other, must be separated by about the same distance as well. It's like looking at the lights of a distant city. They seem closely packed together, but when I reach the city, I realize that there is plenty of space between the lights. Looking from a distance gives the illusion that they are close together. The same is true with the stars. Our intuition tells us that if we could travel to one of the many stars above, we would discover that it sits alone in the sky, just like our Sun, separated from its nearest neighbor by about the same distance of 32 trillion miles. This begins to give us an idea of the size of the universe. But let us continue with this thought. What can we consider as a model of the universe? The universe is made of countless solar systems. The Earth is made of countless atoms. Solar systems and atoms are identical, differing only in size. If the universe is made of star systems which are identical to atoms, and the Earth is made of atoms which are identical to star systems, then the Earth must be identical to the universe, only much smaller. As above, so below. Our mind concludes that the Earth is a mini-universe. Its stars are the atoms that make it up. Here is a full cycle of creation. We start with the electron, then the atoms, then the Earth and other planets, then the solar system and other star systems, then the universe. That is going from the bottom to the top, the smallest to the largest, the beginning to the end. But a full cycle has the same beginning and end point. What then does our intuition tell us? It tells us the beginning point, the electron, is the same as the end point, the universe. We have come full circle. The electron is a mini Earth. The Earth is a mini universe. As above, so below. How then can we find out the size of the universe? Well, it's simple now, by knowing the size of the Earth. How many stars are in the universe? Same number as atoms in the Earth. The law of creation is the same. And you might think we leave it in abstraction. Stay tuned and we'll calculate the exact numbers of the size of the universe, as well as the size of the Earth, the stars of the universe, as well as the number of atoms in the Earth. Blackroot science is getting a bit mathematical, but it's still designed to guide us from untruth true. From darkness into light, from ignorance to enlightenment, and from mortality to immortality. See you next time.